Oh, hello there, Om Nom. Would you like to play a game? Wow! Om Nom, do you want to play with this clock? Oh, and what's that there? Those are the numbers. Om Nom, do you want to fix the clock? Okay then. First of all, Om Nom, we need to find number 1. That's right. This is number 1. Now I'll find number 2. Can you see it? Om Nom, what have you got in your mouth? Oh, well done! Om Nom has found number 3. Now, let's try to find 2 numbers at once. 4 and 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number is next, Om Nom? Do you know? Right! This looks like our number, 6. Oh, it doesn't fit, Om Nom. Ah, that's right. This one has a square. It's a number 9. Look, this is our number 7. And Om Nom has brought number 8. Well done, Om Nom. Look, Om Nom, do you see how it works? Green, blue, red, yellow. Green, blue, red, and yellow. Can you work out which color is next? That's right, it's green. And I think I know what the next color is. Blue. Om Nom, we just have one number left. 11. Hey, something's missing. We've lost number 12. You haven't eaten it, have you, Om Nom? No? Shall we take a look? Where could it be? There it is. It was hiding under the clock. Did you enjoy playing with the clock, Om Nom? Then come and play again. See you.